Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch by AI. First, grasp the fundamental idea that artificial intelligence can transform your ideas into visual art. You'll need to select a suitable AI tool, as many options exist, each with unique capabilities. Then, prepare your input, which might be a detailed text description or an initial image, setting the stage for your creative journey. This initial setup is crucial for achieving your desired artistic outcome. Now, let's dive into selecting the perfect AI tool for your sketching endeavors. There are several powerful platforms available, such as Midjourney or DALL-E, each offering distinct artistic styles and functionalities. When choosing, consider features like the variety of style options, the maximum output resolution, and how intuitive the interface is. Also, a strong community can provide valuable tips and support, enhancing your overall experience. Crafting effective prompts is key to guiding the AI toward your vision. Begin by writing clear, descriptive text that outlines your desired sketch. Be specific about artistic styles, like pencil sketch or charcoal drawing, and detail your subject matter. Don't forget to experiment with negative prompts, telling the AI what to avoid, which can significantly refine your output and bring you closer to your ideal artistic creation. Once your AI has generated a sketch, the next step is refinement. Carefully review the output for quality and ensure it aligns with your initial concept. You can then use standard image editing software like Photoshop or GIMP to make any necessary enhancements or modifications. Finally, integrate your polished AI sketch into larger creative projects, whether it's for concept art, illustrations, or personal artistic expression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.